Saan ang gala?
Secret.
Secret! Secret. Secret pa talaga. Makain muna kami guys. Tapos mamaya yung flight namin. Secret, secret. Secret. Ito malalaman din naman. So yun, nabangan nyo na lang guys. Samahan nyo ulit kami sa aming travel. Oh, travel again. Charot. Charot. Tapos nang kumain. Ay. Tapos na. Lakad-lakad muna kami dito sa terminal. Sa terminal. Yarn. At makan. Guys, let's go here. Oh, let's go here. There. Ate Rachel. Hi. Handa. So, ito na yung aming gate. Departs in. Super online. Ate Rachel. Hi. Pila na. Anak ko. Sandas. Boarding. Boarding. Hi. Boarding. Anak ko busy-busy. At sa Kuya Angulo, hindi makita yung mukha eh. May kanya may sarili siyang mundo. Ano yan? Sariling mundo siya. Where's that?
Sunday.
Oh my God. Oh, we go this side. I'm sorry. So, ito yung seat namin. Let's see it. There you go. This is it. Lipstick ang inalalan. Saturation.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome on board this Singapore Airlines Dreamliner service SQ438 bound for Mali. I am your captain. My name is Satyan Menon. With me in the flight deck is First Officer Yong Ming. Cabin crew charge today is in-flight manager Manish and
Thank you. Very hot. So cold.
As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a
seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Once again, cabin crew, please take your seats.
Turbulence, guys. Ano yan? Turbulence.
Welcome to Mali, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Touchdown. Direction. Hi. Touchdown na. Tayo na lang mag-disembark. Direction. Ha? Antok na. Oh, wala una na eh. Mari ka pa eh. Ha? Oh, dito. Pero dun sa Pinas. 1 a.m. na. Worth it. Disembarking. Yala. Disembark. Let's go. Let's go. At tingin-tingin ka, kaliwat kanan, baka may maiwan. Charot.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I keep the check.
Ay. Remote eh.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Remote pay.
Sa remote. Oh my God. Remote pay kami guys. Yung mga pasahistay doon. Sa remote pay kami. Go. Let's go. Anak ko. Oh. So guys, dito na kami sa Mali. Yun lang, sa remote day pala kami. Kaya, doon sa stairs na may tree. Tayo ng bus. Tayo ng bus. Walang bus. Yun na yung bus. Let's go. Carno, yun na yung bus. Okay. There you go. Opo, 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 opo. So, nandito na kami. Hi! Yan yung sinakyan namin sa remote day kami. Let's go! So, we're here in Maldives. Direction! We're here. Finally, working for the luggage na lang kami. Yan. So guys, yung airport nila dito, hindi masyadong kalakihan. Paglabas mo ng immigration, baggage agad. Oh. Ganito siya. Ito na yung luggage ko, guys. Maldives, eh. Hintayin na lang natin umikot. Papunta rito. Star Shells. Oh, Star Shell. There you go. Let's go. Maldives. Oh, meron yan. Guys, welcome to Maldives. Yung anak ko. Rachel, welcome to Maldives. Maldives. Pizza. So, ito yung sundo natin. Uy, may mga ferry boat na siya. Oh. Alam mo ba sa umaga, te? Ang blue-blue niyan. Kitang-kita mo talaga, blue talaga siya. Ang ganda. Di ba? Napaka-blue. Kaya lang, we can't see. Yes, guys. My speed. Oh my God. Ang sarap naman. Hindi siya malamig nga, no? So, we're here. Papunta na kami. Ito yung sundo namin. Here. So, this is the arrival looks like. Ayan, may dagat na. Hindi natin kita, guys, kasi gabi. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito na ang ating service. Let's go. So guys, we're here sa aming first night. Okay naman siya. Kahit pa paano. Uy, mas okay to. Mas maluwag tong sa inyo kaysa sa amin. Oo. Yung sa amin, mas maluwag. So we're here na. Tomorrow we're going to another hotel. Because pag nagstay kami sa mamahaling hotel, lugi kami dahil nag-arrive kami ng gabi. So, ayun, ito yung room. Ito yung room. Ito yung kanilang toilet.
Okay naman.
Toilet. Okay naman siya. Mas ano dito, maluwang.
Mas maluwag dito?
Oo.